What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Apecoin. So this is kind of like an update because I did do an analysis on it yesterday as well, but that was more fundamental, and now I think we have sufficient price analysis to actually do some sort of a price prediction from now on, so that's great. Obviously Apecoin has been hyped a lot. If we take a look at the stats right now, it has gone down a little bit since yesterday, but that's not too bad. Market cap is 3.7 billion in just a couple of days, so that's amazing if you actually hold Apecoin or if you've created it. Volume is still really high at 4 billion. It is down 50%, but still it's really high, and it used to be at levels which were unprecedented. I mean 9 billion at the top. Yeah, at the top I think 9.5 billion. So that's amazing. Volume is still high. So yeah, let's actually get right into the price analysis. But first of all, quick disclaimer. I mean, watch out with Apecoin right now. It's very volatile. I know it's very hyped, and a lot of people want to jump in to get some quick money. But just be careful with that. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it, but just be careful with it and only risk money you can lose, of course. So yeah, what we did with Apecoin, I drew these two trend lines right now to illustrate something, and that is that they do not hold up, as you can see. They do hold up for like 3-4 touches, and then a retest, as you can see right there, kind of. But they don't really hold up. So what that means to me is that the price is still trending. Of course, it is still trending a little bit because of the volume, and you can still see that it is going down. I mean, you can see some sort of a triangle forming, but it's not that trending that it's in a real steep uptrend or downtrend. So we're in some sort of a consolidation, I think, right now between ultimately $15 to the upside, and to the downside 12.6, but let's just say 12.5 for simplicity. So it's going to be one of two things. And between that time, we're going to stay between $15 and 12.5. But we're either going to break out through 12.5, so break below 12.5. And if we do that, and as of right now, I think that's the most likely scenario, if the hype really dries up and dies and goes down, then we'll probably break through 12.5. And as soon as we do that, we'll probably find some support at around $12. But from there, I think it's already over. Then we'll probably take a break retest off of 12.5, this full area, and drop down. And in my opinion, the first real support, a really strong support, is around $10. Big psychological support level, of course, but as you can see, it has already been established as well. So that would then be my support target. And I'm not saying that this will happen in one big move, but I just want to say that as soon as we break 12.5, and if we stay below it, then we'll just probably be slowly trending down towards that $10 level. And the other scenario is that we break $15. And if we break $15, I mean, the chances are very high that we then get a really strong bull run, to be honest. Before we can actually get up to that level, we first need to break 13.9 to be specific. As soon as we break 13.9, I think the chances are quite big we can actually get up to that level, so to at least 14.6, but actually getting to $15 and breaking it, I think is too difficult for Apecoin right now. It is possible, that's why I wanted to include the scenario in it, because if we do manage to break $15, we'll probably find resistance at 15.5, but take a break retest and get up to 16.5, 17 quite easily. So I did want to include it, but I think the chances of it happening are fairly small in my opinion. So sorry, my disk space ran out while recording. So it's been a while since I did the when you're making a video, you're in a rhythm. But what I said is it is possible to break $15, but I think it's unlikely. I think it is more likely that we'll at least stay in this consolidation, as I said, between 12.5 and $15. That is possible, and within that area, as you can see, we can have bull moves, small downtrends, but I think it's more likely that this will happen. But then again, it's I could definitely be wrong, and we are seeing some bullish moves right now. So Yeah, that's basically my analysis. If you do have any questions about the analysis, let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.